Check out this custom PS5 controller right here. A customer ordered this as a gift for his girlfriend and I think he absolutely smashed it with this one. This color combination looks so good. We've got the pink front faceplate here and we've got these sort of opposite analog sticks here. We've got blue and a blue ring here and then white analog stick and a white ring, which looks so good. We've also got white option buttons and white 2-paddle back buttons. I forgot to mention on the triggers, we do actually have mouse clicks on the L2 and R2. So really nice instant click, satisfying mouse click on those. And yeah, this controller turned out so sick. Let me know what you think of this in the comments. If you want to order your own custom PS5 controller, check out clutchcontrollers.com.